and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can use Twitter in order to get attention of your targeted audience by using the relevant influencers of your niche. So how are we going to do that? We're going to go look up a relevant, authentic, and popular influencer of our niche, and we're going to mention them in our tweet. Now, the first strategy to get attention of your preferred influencer is to mention them. And let's just say we want to go for SEMrush here. So we're going to mention them and we're going to type in something that's a form of appraisal. That's something that's appreciative of their services, of their content, or of their tweets. So we can say something like, hey, SEMrush, we will look forward to your work, or your blog post about something was really helpful. And we can use stuff like that in order to get their attention, because when we mention them in our tweets, they will instantly get the notification and they can use that in order to retweet that to their followers, because it will act as a sort of mini testimonial. So they need something that they can display to their followers and gain their attention as well. So this will not only be beneficial for them, but it will also allow their users and their followers in order to see you and your account and your brand. So this can gain you attention of your targeted audience. This is the first and most basic strategy to do so. The second thing that you can do is you can use your content in order to get attention of people. So let's just say that you've made a blog about WordPress and you want to get attention of WordPress. So what you can do is you can mention WordPress here and WordPress.com, and you can insert the link of your WordPress blog right here, and you can type in a caption like WordPress is really helpful for building websites, and WordPress is a very convenient website builder, and you can mention them alongside. So what's it gonna do is it's gonna get your attention, because again it will act as a sort of testimonial, and it will also get you the traffic on your website or on your blog or the inserted link that you put there. So this is something that's going to work not only on Twitter, but it's going to expand and it's going to reach out and benefit you through other sources as well. So this is something useful too. And these are the most basic strategies you can use. The first thing you want to do is you want to mention an influencer by appreciating them. The second thing that you can do is you can insert the link of your blog post by mentioning the relevant influencer or someone that you know from the company or the brand that you want to tag. If you know any of the people in WordPress and you're aware of their username or you're aware of their role, you can mention them instead. So that's another very useful strategy that you can use. So these were the three most basic strategies in order to get attention of your targeted audience by using your influencers on Twitter. So go ahead and apply these strategies for yourself. They're really easy and they're really simple.